Hey guys, Kevin here again with another review. This time a generic cigarette outlet to USB charger adapter. As you can see, this end plugs into the cigarette outlet of your car if you have one. These two secure rings secure it. USB port on the end with a green indicator light when plugged in. And all you do, let me show you. All you do, take a USB cable and there you go. Plug it in, charges an iPod, cell phone, MP3 player, basically anything that takes USB, it will charge. So very handy. If you go on eBay, you'll probably find some for about $1, so great buy. And yeah, it's a pretty useful little device. Pretty small, compact, and fits in your pocket. Thank you guys for watching another review from MrTechReviewers. This is Kevin signing out. Please remember to subscribe to our videos and participate in the giveaways, because you might just win. You can't lose anything by subscribing and trying. You never know. You could win. Thank you guys for watching, and this is Kevin signing out.